It is very easy to speed up Android Internet. Hello guys. Welcome to the tutorial. When you reduce data usage, it will automatically speed up the Android Internet. Today I am going to show you 5 tips. Tip number 1. Set automatic app updates over Wi-Fi only. Step 1. Open Play Store. Step 2. Tap on menu. Step 3. Click on settings. Step 4. Tap on auto update apps. Step 5. Choose over Wi-Fi only if you want to update Play Store apps when you connect to Wi-Fi. Or you can choose Don't Auto Update Apps if you like to update Play Store apps manually. This way you can save your mobile data. Tip number 2. Turn on Restrict Background Data and turn off Auto Sync Data. When you turn on Restrict Background Data, it will stop some applications and services that consuming internet data in the background, so that you will save data and get good internet speed at the same time. Just go to your Android settings, and under Data Usage, you will find these options. Tip number 3. Consider using ad-free Pro apps. When you use free apps, they will display ads, and hence consume extra data and also slow down your Android. Avoid using such apps or upgrade to its Pro version, so that the ads will automatically remove. Tip number 4. Use Opera Mini Browser. Opera Mini is a light version of the Opera browser. It will compress web pages and hence save your data to speed up the Android Internet. Tip number 5. Use Google Chrome Data Saver. If you're using Google Chrome in your smartphone for browsing purposes, you should enable its Data Saver feature. Just follow me. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Step 2. Tap on 3 dots icon. Step 3. Tap on Settings. Step 4. Scroll down to Light Mode. Step 5. Enable Light Mode. See, Chrome is telling you that if you switch on this feature, you will save up to 60% of data. So keep it on always. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for latest technology videos.